Okay guys, going to go to Ask Scruff in Traders Clinic. Let's have a quick look. The question isn't too bad when I saw it flash in. It's for Michael. Little salute to you, kid. Question about margin. Capital's 100,000, margin 10,000, like the DAX. How would you go about how much money you need in your trading account so that there's no way of a margin call? Do you work out a percentage, add on, just cover it by adding, say, 2,000? Do you set a stone figure? By the way, I never had a margin call. Okay. A margin call is kind of there to protect you as much as anything else, but you never want one because it can put a panic onto you. So sometimes you'll see suddenly your screen goes red. Doesn't mean to say you're going to have your trades closed out at that point, but that red mark does send warning bells. Normally the way ESMA rules, and it depends on where you are in the world, but ESMA it sort of triggers at 50% of the account and it'll just shut the positions off, and you can never lose more than what you have. It's not like in the old days where if you left it inevitable, the trade will just keep on going and you end up owing the broker quite a lot of money. Right? So none of that applies anymore. But there is a little hack that stops all of this. And it's where my mantra of position size comes from. It's £1 for every 1,000. So in theory, you should never have a margin call if you set your maximum position correctly. So say on the DAX, the margin on £1 is it's roughly around about 500 quid, 550 quid. Well, if you've got 1,000 in your account, your maximum position size is £1. You've naturally got 2 times your balance to cover that margin, and you should never go anywhere near it. And that's a simple, easy hack to do it. Now, as you get up into bigger figures, sort of say you have 25, 30,000 in your account, look to cap your position size. I cap mine at 25 or 2.5 lots. I can trade technically more than that if I want to, but it becomes very uncomfortable for me. So again, the cap has a good thing to do with your mental side. You know, it's a nice, easy, I like to trade from a position of calm. I don't like pushing the envelope where I'm stressed. I find it difficult and then I make mistakes. So I cap it because I'm comfortable at that. And then because I use madness to reduce the exposure as well, 25 divide by 5, 20% of position, it becomes quite second nature to me, and it's just a nice, easy way to trade. I have tried in the past to lift my position size up, and I find it uncomfortable. So maybe I'm stuck in my ways, and it's something to look at next year as the accounts get bigger. But moral of the story, stick to £1 1,000, and in theory you should never hit a margin call. Hope that helps. Catch you soon.